Hi there, this is Brother Beerman at KPY Global Radio. So I'm doing a video, kind of a retake of what I did in July for installing the Senville heat pump, vacuum gauges, pulling the vacuum, and then turning off the vacuum pump and seeing if it holds the vacuum after a half hour. And the only difference is that this is a smaller system compared to this system here. And during the summer, I saved 80%, literally 80% in cooling, because I was able to cool a 1,600 square foot house, including the basement, for between $35 and $45 a month. Not bad. And that's with 106 degrees every day here in July in La Junta. Oh, I can't even talk. La Junta, Colorado. Now the heat, I thought I would save as much, but I save between 25 and 35% per month, so it's 100% zero emissions. The whole house is 100% zero emissions. It's a work in progress, and so I thought, well, I would pretty much put this new unit on my credit card, because with what I save with either trying to heat the hot tub and or the porch, which is like it's a hot tub room, I am already starting to save energy. But basically, it's the same procedure. You pull a vacuum, and then when, okay, I've had this thing running for 20 minutes, so you turn off, you close the valve all the way, and then turn off the vacuum pump, and then let it sit for a half hour, and it's holding the vacuum. And earlier I had a line that was kind of loose, so I'd turn off the vacuum, and then the meter would kind of like go up to zero and go bzzz. So there was a line inside that I had to like finagle and reseat the line to get it to where now it's holding the vacuum. So it's a work in progress. This is Brother Beerman, KFUY Global Radio, La Junta, Colorado. Thanks for tuning in. Dun, 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 dun.